Trade recap for Thursday, December 11th, how me and all my Discord members made 5.7K in only 3 minutes this morning. Alright, first off, coming into open, like every day, I mark up my draws on liquidity that I want to see price react off of. Today I had one buy side and two sell side, this was my buy side right here at 25869. I had this sell side that got swept pre-market, and then this sell side right here in case price wanted to go lower. But in the end, these levels did not matter at all because I did not take a trade related to them at all. Okay, the trade I banked off of today was not related to my normal setup at all. I've actually never taken a setup like this in my life, but it was just so beautiful. It played out so perfectly that I had to take it. And here's the outline of the trade. We respected this bearish 30-minute fair value gap, so I knew we wanted to get sent lower. So I was just waiting for the IFVG confirmation to enter off of and ride it all the way down to these lows right here that I've marked out. But that trade is not what I was looking for. Pre-market, I was actually looking for an inverse of this bearish 1 hour gap and to ride to these highs, but you could see almost instantly after market open that fell through and got invalidated so quick. Okay, but when that fell through, what did I do? Like I mentioned earlier, I noticed how cleanly price respected this bearish fair value gap, so I knew we wanted to go lower. So my next step after I saw that was to mark out the inverse fair value gaps for the confirmation to place an entry to go lower, which there's only two right here that I've marked out. And like I always preach, you want to take the earliest formed IFVG because they hold more power. So I was looking to enter off this one because it was formed the earliest. And then after I marked up my fair value gaps to be inversed on the 30-minute, I drop down to the 1 minute and wait for the confirmation of the exact moment they get inversed to enter my trade. And then you want to wait for the candle body to fully close outside of the inverse fair value gap. So this one, you can see it tapped a little bit, but the body didn't close. This one, the body closed right here, so I would have entered off the closure of that and then took it down to my TP right here of sell side liquidity for a clean 130 points. And then zoomed out back on the 30-minute, you could see how perfectly it played out and how simple it was. We rejected off of this 30-minute bearish, boom, came in inverse this 30-minute bullish candle straight down to my TP at sell side liquidity for a full take profit of 130 points. And then right here you can see the exact moment that I called this trade in my premium Discord. It played out perfectly. Members made a ton of profits today. Here are just some. Boom, 20 bands. Right here, 5 bands. It goes on, 500. It's really that simple. The simplest strategy in trading.